if you fly RC airplanes and you like scale, we got the accessory for you. Basil and Will from Grayson Hobby, a quick update about some LED lights for your remote control airplane or car or fish tank or anything else. So start with the basic ones right here. These plug in, they stay on. There's a couple of them there. They're like 4.8 volts. Information will be in the description below. Then we have a little more step up. It's for helicopters, airplanes, whatever. Then we have my favorite. I put this in my Dynam Waco years ago. This is almost as simulates the FAA strobes. If you had a drone, you could put this in your drone and fly it over New Jersey. Nobody will ever know. You fit
Bad idea.
You'll fit right in.
Programmable though.
Yes.
It has multiple modes.
Yeah. So you can have on all through the remote control. All on, all off, blinking left, blinking right. It's like legit like the FAA. They have a red one, green one, white one, landing gear, the whole thing. Information will be below. Then we got some headlights, and then we got, I don't know what this one is, but it's for cars. Too many. Anyways, all the information will be below at graysonhobby.com, or come in the store and check them out. We got them.
So if you want to add that shiny bling to your plane or car, check it out, graysonhobby.com.
It's wintertime. It's only like 4 hours of daylight. If you want to fly, if we fly after work, it's going to be dusk. So you need the lights. I need my lights. I need the lights. Doesn't like lights, everybody.
I'm not for adding LEDs on stuff.
Drop a comment below if you like lights, or if you could it's one more thing that can go wrong with an airplane, because it does go wrong.
When Basil builds them.
But hey, when you crash, at least at night you can find it.